Welcome to the Master ABA Dojo. I just wanted to give you a quick look around the membership so that you can decide for yourself if this is the right place for you and to show you some of the core features and benefits of the membership. So this is your dashboard. This is where you come when you first log in. Every month we're going to offer a monthly mission, and you can just click on that and you can see what that mission is for the month. This is where you're going to have all of your news announcements, any new course releases, new features, any latest updates, and also access to the current forums in your member forum. When you scroll down, you have your member events. This is where you can access the link for office hours or other live events. All you have to do is click on the link. You also can access your enrolled courses, the forums, your activities, downloadable resources, your game plans. If you don't want to leave this page, you can access the game plans directly from here just by scrolling through them. You can also scroll through all of the member courses if you just want to take a course rather than following the game plans. And the same is true with the downloadable resources. So you can scroll through and see the different topics of the downloadable resources here. You can manage all of the information from your account, get all of your downloads, access your orders, and edit your account. You can connect to other members in the forum. You can start a new discussion, or you can join in some of the existing discussions. So for you, the most important piece of the membership really is the game plans. This gives you a step-by-step process for how to master those different tasks that you have to complete every day. So we have assessments, developing plans, including behavior plans and treatment plans. This is all of the steps that you need to actually implement the plans that you develop, developing systems to become more efficient in your day-to-day tasks, parent training, and supervision. And we already have 2 additional game plans that are in the work. So let's take a dive into one of the game plans so that you can see what it looks like. All of the game plans include courses. They might have different tasks for you to explore, different resources within the membership. And they might take you to download different resources as well. So it does take you step by step through the entire process, and they are put in sequence to help you build on some of those prerequisite skills that you might need. Let's take a look at one of the courses. So each course has a course mission, and if you click that mission, it'll open up and it'll give you some information about the course. It gives you some tasks to do, and you can check off the tasks if that's something that you're interested in doing. It tells you what the mission resources are going to be, and there's some questions to get you thinking about this topic and what your skills might already be. So you can download this document and keep it to work through some of the information that's in the course. There are also course objectives and the syllabus. So you can click on any one of the lessons to jump in. There's also action steps for every course. If you prefer, you can just click the Get Started button, and that will take you to the first lesson in the course. You can join in the course discussion. If you have a question or just a comment about the course, or if you have suggestions for us, this is a great place to leave that, and we'll be happy to get back to you and respond. So let's take a look at what's inside the course. In each of the lessons, you have your lesson content. There are a few courses that have videos, but there's a lot of written content too, so you can scroll through and find the information easily that you're looking for. There are resources within each lesson. You can click on those and download these documents. And there's references. So all of the lessons have links to different resources, different websites or research articles. Then there's action steps. Most of the quizzes also, most of the lessons also include a quiz, and a lot of the quizzes are just 5 to 10 questions just to get you thinking about the information that you learned in this lesson. So you need to take the quiz to mark the lesson complete, but if you don't care about the lesson being marked complete, you can jump ahead and skip the quiz if you don't want to take it. And you can just go back to the next lesson. So from here, we can go back to our dashboard, or we can continue to the end of the course. At the end of the course, we could go into the practice lesson, and it shows this lesson has a video example, and it has some things for you to explore. And it has the ability for you to submit a document. So you can choose a file and you can submit a document if you're interested in receiving some feedback. You also have your resources. There's action steps, again, to help you move forward. You can mark this lesson complete if you like to see your progress. Every course has mission accomplished because it's really important for you to be able to celebrate your wins. There's a link to a survey. We really appreciate any feedback that you guys can give us about these courses. We're always looking to make improvements on them. So definitely appreciate any feedback that you have. Each course has the mission accomplished. So you can click on your case closed and you get some sort of quote. A bucket list is an invitation to dream bigger. So if that's something that you're interested in, I really enjoy some sort of final accomplishment. You can share your success in the forum. You can mark this lesson complete, or you can even share your success in the course itself. And then we include some next steps. Here are some of the things that you could do to continue learning, and these are some of our recommendations. So you can go back into the game plan. You can go to your member community. We really think that those are great ways to continue your learning. So let's look at the forum. Here you can join in the private member only community. You can access this lots of different ways. So you can click into any of the existing discussions, or you can start your own discussion if you have a question. I think it's really a great way for you to connect with others. At any time, we can go back to the dashboard just by clicking home. If I need to see what these buttons actually mean, I can just click up here. You can read them. I prefer just the icons, so I leave it like that. So we checked out the game plans and we checked out the forum. Now let's look at some resources. This is the resource library, and this is a great place to access all of the different resources you have available to you in this membership. We have fillable data sheets. We have information about different interventions, parent training resources, preference assessment templates, RBT and BCBA candidate supervision forums, treatment integrity, and we have some other resources as well. So there's a lot of resources available to you. Let's take a look at these interventions. So each of these resources is in a different tab, so you can see what it looks like. We have a guide, we have sample definitions, and these are the resources that are associated. You can just click through. You can click any of these and just download them. I'm going to go back home. And I hope that this has been helpful in helping you determine whether or not the ABA Dojo is appropriate for you. We look forward to seeing you inside the membership and getting to know you. Thanks so much.